Hi guys. Question number 1. What's your favorite thing to do with Mama G?
We do together, or siguro if we do video call. I love it when we do video call all together as a family. Not only with mama, but together as a family no kumpleto kami.
Going to church, and after church we are nakuamangan ka mag-Mickey so sa amin at together as a family.
Kenyak ti favorite ko nga abubrayan mi ken mama ket no sa sarita kami nagchismis kami kasyay ken numangman kami aglalo no rumrumar kami nga duduwa.
Agbuya kasi agbuya kami niya mag-tik-tiktok no kay sunan kasi di na kaya buyain. Ija agbuya. Number 2.
Question number 2. What is Mama G good at?
Mama Jing is good in cooking, and she's really good with kids. Mama Jing loves kids, and kids love her too.
She's good at cooking and good at showing love to other people. And yeah,
Syempre agluto ni mama. Naning agluto.
Ni mama nalaing agalaga. Sunan no mapanakagubra pagpabalunan ako ko. Tatang lakay noon. Luto to na klata pabalon. Ken agluto. Diyan.
Question number 3. What makes Mama G happy?
Kwarta. And I think mama's happiness is also based on da kami nga anak na ken ni papa, da kami nga family na. Family can make Mama Jing happy.
what makes mom happy? Us actually. Us, her children, makes her happy, and also money.
What makes mom happy? Kwarta. Joke lang. Family. No magkita na nga happy tayo kasi happy mit is mama.
Of course, obviously, kwarta. So lang.
Number 4. What does that you love?
What is something Mama Jing does that you love? Yeah, I love her that she loves rye.
When she cooks our favorite food for us.
What's something mom does that you love? No agluto. Iso DJ agluto. Ni mas luto mama eh. Mamis ko.
I already answered it. Siyempre, ite-take care na, kita anak na. Especially with me kasi syaklat at udyayin. Mo gumatang, mangyawit latang mangi-share. Han nga selfish iso na kumbaga. Dijay.
Question number 5. How do Mama G makes you feel?
Mama makes me feel deeply blessed, and I always say forever grateful. I am thankful for my mama and ni papa. I am happy to share how much gratitude we feel for them.
How does mom makes you feel? My mom, she makes me motivated, and she's one of the person in my life that keeps me going. Thank you, mom.
How does mom make you feel? Ipapafeel niya yung mama nga important ka kasi can love na ka. Can papa happy and kasi.
How does mom make me feel? She makes me happy the way nung makikita iso ng active, mas happy na nga outgoing iso nang not too outgoing. Di makikita ka lang iso ng naragsak, active, makakuti-kuti. I'm happy ka DJ yan. Ano di ka answer kung yung ala ison i-gets you latan.
Number 6. What do you guys love most about her?
What I love most about Mama is how big her heart is. If there's such quality that would describe Mama best, is how kind she is. Of all the people that I know, Mama has the biggest heart. She is generous, not because she has a lot, but she is always willing to share even the little she has left. She's also thoughtful. She would always think of us. She would always remind us our well-being, and we love that about her.
What do you love most about her? I love everything about her because she's the best mom in the world. Yeah.
What do you love most about her? Siyempre ni Mama. Ti magusto kanya naget oray awanan langarod isunan mapagbigay lata kasangkas niya. Ken nalaving ni Mama. Ken di jay dati pampanan natin na selfless daduma selfless. Ano nga daduma most of the time selfless ni Mama. So
Pinaka-love, everything she does for us, ket dakkel DJ yan nga banag kanyamin. Shock man, kita pinag-care na kanya, juri ko na karon, man juri man natawtawin ko, adalat tayo suna. Adalat tayo suna, juri kasanot kinatangsit ko, DJ lang.
Last question. What's your message?
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. And my wife, she wants also to greet you a happy Mother's Day.
Hi, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Awan ti sabali nga wish me for you no di get good health and happiness. We love you and we miss you. See you soon again.
Bye-bye. I love you.
I love you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Sing-simbat ka ni Papa. Gagap-apan. So, I miss you. Love na love kayo. Happy Mother's Day.
Oo, di ba? Na-magic ko.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita.
Mama. For me, always be active. Nakaunag banban nun. Stay strong. Ay, be active kay Papa. Be happy. Di kay kumagap-apan. Kanayon. Kaya't ko lang magkita kayo na naragsak. Aging nga na maka-kwarta-kwarta kang tumit na makaipit kang di napinpintas ng biyag no marbaring ubak ng baring mga baknak piloto ipadas ko to maminsan DJ sika Happy Father's Day, Mothers.
Hello, Tita. Thank you kasi
Brought to you by Dane Cheese. Solid sa sarap, solid sa laman. Dane Cheese. Cut.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita. Thank you, Tiyan Amin. Thank you kasi sikat eh.
Kasi mo. Alat ang nagtutumal pa kasi. Ay, yaka po dito nga babae. Brought to you by Cheese Eden. Mas masarap kesa sa Dane Cheese.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita. Thank you, Tiyan Amin. thank you ti pinangkeker mo kanyak, kanyan tentasrin, ore ka sa pinatangsik ni nga dwa, na kami pulos binaybayan. Ang ko na igbanbanugan tita, alagaan tabagbagin, di mo baybayan.
Sige to.
I love you.
Happy
Mother's Day, Tita.
Thank you for reading the questions, Rai. Are there any things you want to say to Mama Jing, like a Mother's Day message?
I love. Thank you for giving birth to my mom. I love my mom.
I love you too so much. What else do you want to say? You want to say Happy Mother's Day, Mama?
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
No, look at the camera, please. Here. Okay.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Okay, you kiss.
Thank
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I love you so much. Well, we love you so much. We love you so, so much. Happy Mother's Day. Naghagard pa ito lang ako. Happy Mother's Day.
This is why you are Mother's Day message. I love you. Goodbye. I love you.